Hello, Sun City West. Today I will show you how to log into your library account and adjust your messaging settings. So starting from the Sun City West Rec Center homepage, you'll go into Amenities, Library, and then you'll click on My Account. So when you're at the My Account page, you will sign in using your rec card number and then the last 4 digits of your phone number that the rec center has on file. Once you sign in, this will be your account homepage. You'll be able to see the items that you have checked out, the items you have on hold, if any of your holds are ready to pick up, and if you have any items overdue. You'll also be able to see if you have any fines. Over here under Account Settings, you'll be able to go into your messaging settings and select whether or not you want text or email alerts from the library. So you'll go through and you'll check if you want text or email for each of these items, and then you'll put in your cell phone number and then your provider. If your provider is not listed, please call the library and let us know, and we can get it added to the list. Once you're done selecting your messaging settings, you'll click Update Settings, and then you'll start receiving notifications from the library either by text or email.